Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I want to share a solution for Techsmith Camtasia version 9. I have been using this software from a year and now I am facing an unpredictable behavior from this software when I render the video of completion of the project in the Camtasia. You can see I have a project opened in Camtasia 9. I have only 4 tracks in this project and the length of this video is around 7 minutes. Still, when I go to share and try to generate a local file, first the software start to render the project and I can observe the usage of CPU and memory by the Camtasia 9 with the task manager. But at random percentage, like here, it is 23.4%. Its CPU usage is reduced to 0 and still it is consuming around 1 GB of RAM. First of all, I want to tell you that I have i7 7th generation Windows 10 and NVIDIA GPU. This is the NVIDIA control panel. You can open this NVIDIA control panel by right clicking on the desktop and click on NVIDIA control panel. Then you will get this manage 3D settings. Click on it and click on this program settings. Click on add and locate the Camtasia 9 and click on add selected program. Now for this Camtasia, we are not going to use the GPU. We have to use the integrated graphics, and I have this icon of Camtasia 9 on desktop. Right click on it and go to properties, go to compatibility, and in the compatibility mode set for Windows 7 and also disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. So enable these three options, apply, OK, and now again open the software. Now after making the changes, you can click on share and local file and you can select your required options here and click on next. And after following all these steps, you will definitely get your video rendered by the Camtasia 9. And remember, this is just for rendering the video, and if you want to edit your project, just close the Camtasia, right click on the Camtasia icon, and in the compatibility mode uncheck this option and also uncheck this option. Now you can edit your video in the Camtasia without any issue, but remember, when you are going to render the video, then change the options and then render the video. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.